In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have a smooth connection between your Trello board and Teams, so updates and collaboration flow in one place without extra switching. Start by opening your browser and going to Trello.com. If you're not signed in, log into the account that owns or has access to the board you want to connect. It's best to use the same work account you use in Microsoft 365 to avoid permission hiccups later. Once you're in Trello, head to your board's view. You can find this from the home screen or the sidebar, depending on your layout. Choose the specific board you want to integrate with Teams and open it. Make sure you have the right level of access on this board. If you're not an admin, you may need an admin to complete the setup. On the board, look for the Power-Ups icon near the top of the page. Click it to open the Power-Ups panel, then select Add Power-Ups to open Trello's directory. This is where you add integrations and extra features to your board. Use the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. When the Microsoft Teams power-up appears in the results, click it to open its details page. Here you can review what the integration does, like linking cards to Teams channels or enabling notifications, which can help your team stay in sync. Next, click Configure. This begins the setup process for your board. You might see a brief explanation of what permissions are needed and what the power-up will do once it's connected. Now click Get It Now. Trello may redirect you to Microsoft AppSource or prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant permissions. If your organization manages apps centrally, you may need admin approval. It's a good idea to coordinate with your IT team if you hit an approval request. After you confirm, you'll return to Trello with the power-up connected to your board. Give the page a quick refresh if you don't see changes right away. You can reopen the Power-Ups panel to verify Microsoft Teams is enabled. From there, look for any options in the Power-Up to fine-tune how cards post to Teams or how notifications work. A smart tip is to test with a sample card to confirm that messages are appearing in the right channel. If something doesn't connect, check that power-ups are allowed in your workspace plan, disable any pop-up blockers during setup, and make sure you're using the correct work accounts in both Trello and Microsoft. That's it, your Trello board is now integrated with Microsoft Teams and ready to streamline your collaboration.